MCTPay Payment App User Manual. This introduction includes the following contents: 1. Installation and login. 2. System settings. 3. Receipt from Fiat Wallet. 4. Receipt from Crypto Wallet. 5. Transaction details. 6. Reports. 7. System support including FAQ, User Manual, Customer Service Center, About. 1. Installation and login. This application is specially designed for merchants to collect payments. If the merchant has registered as a MCTPay merchant, install this app directly through the Google or Apple App Store. You can search in the store by entering MCTPay. This application requires about 80 MB memories and requires the latest version of Android or Apple's operating system. After the system is installed, an icon will appear on your phone. Click the icon to start the program. The startup interface of the program is shown on the left. The following are the login steps. 1. Enter the username or registered email address. 2. Enter the password. 3. The privacy terms must be read and checked to confirm. 4. If all the login information entered is correct, the system will enter the merchant main menu. 2. System settings. After logging in, the system enters the main interface and displays. Figure 1. Click the menu with 3 horizontal icons in the upper left corner, and the system will display the menu of this app. Figure 2. Click the name abbreviation in the upper left corner, and the system will display the personal settings menu. Figure 3. 1. If you want to change the language, click the language you want to use in the language display on the right side of the language. 2. If you need to set up biometrics, such as face recognition login, turn on biometrics. After this function is turned on, the next time you log into the system will use the face recognition function of your mobile phone to open this payment program. 3. If you need voice broadcast, turn on the voice broadcast option. Next time after the payment transaction is successful, there will be a voice prompt. 3. Payment transaction, Fiat Wallet. This application includes more than 20 wallets that can receive payment, including Allied, Weshit, Payno, Grab, and Touch and Go. The merchant scan refers to the merchant using a mobile phone to scan the customer's QR code. The customer scan is customer scanning the merchant's QR code. After the payment is completed, the relevant transactions can be listed. If it is not displayed, wait for 1 minute and confirm again. If it was still not displayed, you can inform customer to scan the code again to make the payment. 1. Determine the payment method used by the customer. This system defaults to Payno. 2. Enter the amount. 3. After confirming that the amount is entered correctly, click Pay. Enter the Continue 1 interface. If the merchant needs to use a non-Payno wallet to receive payment, the merchant needs to click Select another wallet. After clicking, the system enters the Continue to interface. Receipt from Fiat Wallet. Continued. The system will automatically generate a QR code for the amount to be collected. The QR code is valid for 1 minute. If the time has passed, please regenerate a new QR code. If you want to use the merchant scan function, merchants can click Merchant Scan at the bottom. See next page. 1. Show the QR code to the customer. If it is Payno, let them scan the code to pay through any app from bank in Singapore. 2. After the customer scans the code, it will usually jump automatically. However, if the customer takes a long time to finish the payment, it is necessary to manually confirm whether the payment is successful. The merchant needs to click the menu and then click the transaction details to check whether the transaction is successful. Receipt from Fiat Wallet. Continue to Transaction Channel Selection page. This page allows merchants to change payment channels according to customer payment requirements. 1. All commonly used payment channels are listed on this page. 2. Merchants select the wallet that customers need to pay. 3. When a wallet is selected, it will be surrounded by a red box. 4. When the red box appears, the merchant clicks to confirm, which means that the wallet selection is complete, and the merchant will be directed to home to perform payment operations. 4. Receipt from Crypto Wallet. The crypto wallet must select the cryptocurrency to be paid, and the chain to be used. All chains supported by the system are listed here. Please be aware that the correctness of all which will affect whether the transactions will be successfully. Note: due to the particularity of crypto payment, any incorrect cause will result in the loss of tokens, and the merchant must bear all responsibility for the loss. Meanwhile, the wallet owner must be notified the risks. 1. Commonly used tokens and chains are listed on the page. 2. Merchants select the tokens and chain types. 3. Pay's name and email address must be entered. 4. After selected, the wallet will be surrounded by a red box. 5. After merchant clicks confirm, which means the wallet selection is complete. Note: For crypto payments, if the wallet address is in some kind of risk, the payment will be rejected, and the system will notify through an email to perform a refund operation. Receipt from crypto wallet. Continued. The system will automatically generate a QR code for receiving payment, which contains the amount to be received. The QR code is valid for 1 minute. If the time has passed, please regenerate a new QR code. 1. Show the QR code to the customer, and let them scan the code to pay by using the crypto wallet app on the same chain. 2. After the customer scans the code, it will usually jump automatically. However, if the customer takes a long time to conduct the payment, it is necessary to manually confirm whether the payment is successful. The merchant needs to click the menu, and then click the transaction details to check whether the transaction is successful. 5. Transaction details. Merchants can query transaction details. Click Transaction List in the menu and the system will display the transaction details of the day. Figure 1. All transaction information of the day by default. All transactions of the day are displayed by default. If you need to display transactions of a certain wallet separately, click Payment Channel. All, Alip, Weshit Pay, Payno and Channel, which you had been signed. Click the transaction wallet icon you need to query in the list. Figure 2. If merchants need to display previous transaction records, they can click Time Range. After clicking, the merchant will be asked to select the time range to be queried in. Figure 3. After clicking Save, the system will display the relevant transaction records according to the listed conditions. 6. Reports. Merchants can query report details and click Report in the menu. The system will display the page that needs to be reported. The default is to generate SGD transactions on the day. If you need the transaction results of other currencies, select the relevant currency in the currency column. Date range is shown in Figure 3. Time range is shown in Figure 2. Merchants can count transactions in different time periods, and transactions with instantly asked questions. Merchants often encounter some questions that need to be answered by our customer service when collecting payments or waiting for payment. Here we list some to help merchants find answers as soon as possible. If you cannot get the answers you need through this app, please contact our customer service directly. User Manual introduces how to use this system and precautions. Customer Service Center. Display the contact person and contact information for corresponding business. General inquiries, please email to info@mct.com.sg. Merchant registration, please email to register@mct.com.sg. Compliance consultation, please email to compliance@mct.com.sg. Customer hotline, please call +65 6635 8268.